Hi everyone, Jessica here. I'm a fitness model and coach from Miami, and today I'm gonna take you through an under 10-minute ab workout just for beginners. But now remember, if you've never been on a meal plan or if you have no idea how to get the results that you want, I cannot stress it enough. Nutrition is the key to actually having six-pack abs or just toned abs in general. Now the workouts that I'm gonna teach you are great. They're gonna help you strengthen your core, but in order to release and actually show the abs, we need to burn the belly fat that's around. And how we do that is through nutrition. So because of that, I actually created a superfood plant-based meal plan. If you check out the website below, you're gonna get all of the details. I actually wanna teach you the meal plan that's working for me, that's been working for thousands of others, and I wanna help you get results. Now let's go ahead and begin the workout. Okay, so put one hand behind your neck, and now you're gonna go and reach for your ankle. You can do one at a time and reset. See how many you can do without having to reset. That's how you can gauge how your core strength is improving. But remember, the most important thing is to keep that low back on the ground. Breathe. Give me 5 more. And let's switch sides, so switch the hand. Now you're gonna reach for the other ankle. Do it nice and slow. It's not about speed. I just want you to really feel the focus of your core tightening up. Five more. Great. Now I want you to put your feet up. We're gonna do the motion of crunching. So just like a crunch, but you're gonna hold your feet up. See if you can have them all the way straight. But if not, then just keep that bend in them. And breathe. Remember that for your neck, you're not pushing your neck with your hands. You're using your hands to rest your head, because what's working here is the core. And breathe. 30 more seconds right here. Keep your low back and your spine completely flat on the ground. Keep your knees together. Breathe. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now from here, I want you to bring your knees around to one side and around to the other side while keeping your back on the ground. So you should feel like a nice stretch on your back, but you should also feel your core activating. So try to go as low as you can with your toes, and then back up, and then as low as you can, as long as your back doesn't come off the ground. And breathe. See your core activated. Touch it, make sure that it's hard. Breathe. We got 30 more seconds right here. Keep rocking from side to side, and when you come up, you're reaching for that elbow on both sides. Feel the stretch in your hip flexors. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now from here, I want you to extend one leg out. See how low you can bring your foot without letting your back touch the ground. If it's right here, keep it here. If you can go a little bit lower. The lower that you can go, the more that you're utilizing your core, especially that lower core. So right there, we're holding it for 10 seconds. And now we switch. Same thing. See how long you can bring this foot. Lower is working more, but right here is good too. And switch. Good. And switch. We're going to pick up the pace. Switch. You can have your head up, or if you need to, you can lay it back down. Keep working. Breathe. It's a small motion, but it's really activating. So the whole workout, you should feel your core tightening up. That's the goal, to begin that mind-muscle connection. 30 more seconds. See if you can pick it up. See how low you can go. Even if it's here, I just want you to get that full extension of your leg. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Feet down. I want you to crunch up. See how long you can hold it. And then back down. And crunch. And down. Remember, crunch through your core, not through your neck. The hands are there only for support, not to push your neck up. Breathe. 30 more seconds. Breathe in and out. In and out. A lot of times we forget to breathe, so we're blocking the oxygen from our muscles. It's really important that we focus on our breath so that we can get the most out of every exercise. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great work. Let's go on our side. Go on your elbow. And right here, see if you can bring your hips up and down. Up and down. You can have your hand in the front, or if you can bring it to your waist. Up and down. So right there, we're working the side of our abs. That's called our obliques. Keep going. You got 30 more seconds. Great work. Breathe. See how many you can get in these last 15 seconds. Last 10. And hold it here for a second before you drop back down. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and switch sides. So now we go to the other one. Same thing, feet together and up, right back down. Great work. Breathe. Make sure that you're keeping your core tight so you're not straining your back. So you should really feel it on the side. Engage that core. Breathe. Last 20 seconds. Only 15 left. You're doing amazing. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and done. There you have it. You did so good. I'm so proud of you. That was a great ab workout in under 10 minutes. You can do it from anywhere. Let me know what you thought of it. Let me know how far you got along. Leave me something in the comments. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you can get all the videos. And remember, if you're looking to get amazing results, check out the website below. It's got my superfood plant-based meal plan. You're gonna love it. Have a great day.